Thomas here at MGM Classic Cars in Edison, Illinois, and I'm going over this 1965 Mustang. It's got the pepper gray paint with the black stripes, GT 350 decals running across the rockers there, as you can see. Now that is removable if needed. It's got the Shelby wheels on it, which look very cool. The black, I call them the mesh wheels. Very nice looking on the car with radial GT tires. Vinyl top car in excellent condition. A nice little hood scoop on the front. This is a California car, clean title. I don't see any rust going over the vehicle. The car has just been painted. So I want to just walk around the car with you and pick out all the, nitpick the car and let you guys know everything about it. The back valance has been painted, as you can see, in the black. It's got the Shelby fuel gas cap added to it. It's got a really, really nice look to the car. Kind of gives it that Eleanor feel. Now I'm gonna move in a little bit closer to the paint and share with you guys if I see anything sticking out here. And again, you know, it's not a perfect car. It's 50 years old, over 50 years old. So we'll move in a little bit closer. The bumpers have been painted pepper gray to match the rest of the car. So let's see here. No flaws in the paint here. Rockers look great. There's a scoop that's been added there. Looks really cool. Right, so driver's side looks excellent. Moving forward, back chrome bumper has been painted as well to match the whole theme of the GT look. Everything on the passenger side looks excellent. I don't see any dings, scratches anywhere in the paint throughout. Now I can say the entire car. Really nice. Really nice. Dual sport mirrors, aftermarket, have been added. Move it in a little bit closer. Wheels look great. Tires are in great condition. This trim here looks all original to the little Mustang. Here's your wing windows, like new door handles, but they're not new. They look new, but they're not. Moving in closer on the vinyl top, everything looks, I mean, this has been replaced. Again, the original trim around the back window as well is original to the car. The paint on the car is nice. All the bezels look good. These have been blacked out. Obviously, we pointed that out. Yep. Nice reflection. Underneath is pretty nice as well. All right, let's check out this side here. It's got the pony interior. Nice door panel. This here is, you know, it's a little bit, you know, worn, but still looks good. Door jambs look great. Door sill plates are new. All right, let's check out the driver's side. Factory, what's that, C code car? So it's a factory 289 car, which that's what it has. And again, a little wear here on that door panel. Rockers look great. Jambs look good, painted. All the seat belts there intact. Your 6x9 speakers. Headliner is all there. All right. Got the wooden steering wheel. Nice center console, as they are in the 65. car shows 31,119. Definitely 131,119. All right, dash pad looks good. All right, got your Kenwood CD player. I would replace it. I mean, it works, you know, here and there. It's an older stereo, but I would replace it. This shifter part here, we're gonna paint this, scuff that off and paint it. All right, so let's start the car up. Nice clean engine compartment, 289 high performance motor, nice chrome valve cover for your power steering. Very clean under the hood. Let's listen to the exhaust. Wipers function as they should. Okay. Let's see here. Horn is not working. I want you guys to know that. Turn signals do function. Speedo works, fuel gauge works, oil pressure gauge works, amp gauge works, temp gauge works. All right. I like this wooden steering wheel. Feels great. Transmission shifts nice. You can include your delivery and any upgrades that you want to do to the Mustang. If your score is like 650 to 699, you'll have to put 10% down. Oh, Speedo works too. I don't know if I mentioned that. So the little Mustang's only driven on nice days. From what it appears to be. If you need delivery, call me, text me. Your zip code, we can get that handled. If you're watching this on YouTube, subscribe to my channel. If you're watching this on Facebook, click like and share button. Be more than happy to send you other videos on your timeline. If you're looking for a clean vintage Mustang with a great aggressive look, this is it, guys. Call me, text me at 847-848-1